ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our cooking show. She's Penelope and I'm Lucy. Today we're making a pizza. Yeah. We start with the sauce. No, it's rubbing it. Yeah. This is so satisfying. That's right? Like ASMR. And if we get a little sauce on the table, you will wash it, right, Nana? So we have to get some on the sides. Boys,
Make sure
girls, everybody in the world.
Yeah.
Well, this is fun spinning around.
I got a little bit on there.
Oh, next we're gonna do the cheese. Yeah, next we're gonna do the cheese. And then we're gonna serve it to everybody,
on pizza.
right?
And me and Honey love it.
Can you move? We're done. We're done. We have to put it in the oven, and we have to get it grown up. Yeah, remember that, everyone. Safety first.
Wow, it smells delicious.
Wow, it smells delicious. It's finished. It's eat. Thank you for watching our cooking show. Like and subscribe.